So our topic is Juridical Section LTO-PF New and Renewal Requirements for a private security agency and company security units, firearms and explosive office. So what is LTO-PF? LTO-PF means license to own and possess firearms. It is a permit gikan sa Philippine National Police na ginaalaw ang isa ka person, a private security agency or a company security units to legally own and keep firearms. Purpose. First is ensuring a legal compliance in acquiring and keeping firearms. So, it means para ma-make sure na tanan gun are registered and controlled by law. Next is promote responsible gun ownership and proper firearm management. So, to promote safe and responsible sa paggamit og firearms. Next is support ang public safety and security regulation under the law. So, ginamitin ang peace and order by preventing illegal possession. So next is who does it apply to? Private security is agency, organization providing a private security service. So private security agency, company that provide guard or security service. Next is company security units, in-house, security team or of companies. So company security units, security team that protect their own company property. New renewal. First is notarized juridical LTOP form. Second is section article on OP incorporation, latest GIS, DTI, CDE authenticated. Third is valid license to operate SOSIA authenticated. Fourth is board resolution authorizing applicants for corporation. Five is neuro psychiatric clearance with a receipt. Six is drug test with a receipt. Seven is gun safety and responsible gun ownership seminar certificate. Eight is national police clearance. Isa ka na original. Government ID photocopy. Company proof of building, barangay certificate of business. 9 is payment receipt with the bank certificate. Requirements for CSU, new renewal. Notarized juridical LTO PF form. Section article of incorporation, latest GIS, DTI, CDE, authenticated. So, number 3 is valid license to operate, SOSIA, authenticated. Current business permit, authenticated din. Latest ITR. Next is neuropsychiatric clearance with receipt. Next is drug test with receipt. Next is national police clearance, original. Gun safety and responsible gun owner seminar, certificate, government ID, payment receipt, bank certification, land bank. Migration of requirements individual to juridical. First is notarized juridical LTOPF form. Next is 6 article of incorporation, latest GIS, DTI, CDE authenticated. Third is valid license to operate, SOSIA authenticated. Next is board resolution authorizing applicant. Next is company proof of billing, barangay certificate of business. Next is payment receipt with bank certification, land bank. Notes is migrate individual L TOP if is valid for 1 year from date of issuance.